Number 2 will be your 1350. 1 Charlie 37 Southern service from Bognor Regis to Victoria. And we got 377 159 377 159 to 377 444 to London Victoria via Horsham and Gatwick Airport. Number 2 at Amberley will be your 1357 1 Bravo 30 Southern service from London Victoria to Bognor Regis. And this station does have a short platform. Okay, just waiting for the lights to go out. Three 102. Three 102 to 377 440 to Bognor Regis with a short platform at Ford. 102 and 440 to Bognor Regis via Barnum.
Between the train and the platform, mind the gap. The train now standing at platform 2 is the 1357 Southern service to Bognor Regis. Calling at Arundel, Ford, Barnum and Bognor Regis. Due to a short platform at Ford, customers for this station should join the front 6 coaches. 1357 Southern service to Bognor Regis. This train is the service from London Victoria.